Okay. Nadia, okay. Nadia. 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 Ah, Nadia. Ahem.
Napa, where you? Never mind, I ain't coming.
My lat is crazy. Oh! Reyes. Bror!
Right here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding.
Venus. Wait, oh my. Wait. Why? No, what?
I was guessing. Not this time.
Oh my god, that's such an iPad.
Uh-oh.
Yes, what's the problemo? What's the problemo? What's the problemo?
You are the problem.
No, oh, you're the mistake to your family.
3.
Wait.
I'm Alex Vance.
Yeah.
Not fail this time. 4. 3.
Hallelujah.
4. 3. You failed. Prepare for sudden death.
No, you are the
Bro,
4.
die.
4,
20,000.
If I die,
I know what 8 economy
Okay,
is.
die.
You have a
Nadia, you should die. Nadia,
I'm Alex Vance.
Nadia. Yo, Nadia.
20,000. You would everyone.
Additional time has been awarded.
Nadia.
What a surprise. My father was zombie.
Can you see my room? Why would I do that?
Wait.
Lava.
Yes.
What a surprise.
Yes.
4, 3, 2, Vance saved this time. Black Mesa.
There you are, I got you.
I'm Alex Vance.
You should die.
Dr. Green. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. I hope we've seen the last of him. Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember me, though. I'm Alex Vance.
Did I save you?
Yeah, you did. Hallelujah. Katie, have you? Blah, 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 blah. Katie, can you clean my room? Mom said you had to. What is it?
Is it true that you told Casey that I should clean her room?
Katie Edwards!
You know, Mom's right there, you know?
Well, she just hit me!
Ow, my poor eardrums!
Shut up, Katie!
Casey, wait. Is that on? Casey Edwards, better.
Nay, they were girls.
Casey Edwards. Yeah. Are we going? Before you die? Yeah. Ah, jag kom före dig. Ha!
Oh my god.
Lava, where you at?
I don't know where I am. Girl.
Lava.
Yes. Nadia.
Who are you?
Hey! Drop my friend right now. Where you at? Drop. Drop.
Nadia, stop!
Nej! Förlåt!
Haha.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. Lava, you see this? Hey, you saw that? Lava, you saw that?
Yeah, I saw that.
I'm
I
so
saw
proud.
that.
I'm so feels smells like poop in here. It makes sense because I didn't have the fire. Okay, my bad. So sorry. I'm so sorry. Spaghetti. Super Mario.
Mario, 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 Brodo, Mario.
Trallallero, trallallà.
Super Mario in real life.
Mario. Mario. Did I even take Mario? Where's the person? Where did the person go? Hey. Oh, holy moly, I got 10 back on. Yeah.
What? Hi, that's voice. Thank you. Wait, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Super Mario.
Trallallero, trallallà.
Oh, that's crazy. Mario,
Super Mario in real life. Super Mario in real life. Super Mario in real life. Spaghetti.
Wait, I've never read. Okay, okay.
Super Mario. Super Mario in real life.
Bye, y'all.